Alright everybody, I'm Richie Knucklez. I'm going to show you a trick on Phoenix. Most people by now know about the 3-bird trick, but I don't know if you ever saw this before. Turn down, my boys, the Wu-Tang. So, play 2-player. So check out my score. I have 2 cameras on it so you can see both scores. So you gotta clear this board first before we can get to where we gotta be. Alright, so now we're playing 2-player. Alright? Same thing. Alright, watch this. So go all the way to the left and wait. 3 birds are going to come down. We got to hit them all at the same time. They're going to go a little bit off screen and then back on screen, and then you whack them like this. Alright, did you see that? Okay, that was a 3-bird trick. Now we'll just kill this guy. Look at the scores now. Alright? What happened to my score? Why do I have 204,000 points now? 204,271. With a question mark. What the hell was that all about? I don't get it. At home when you get a chance. For some reason, you shoot the 3-bird trick on the 2-player to get it to the 1st player. You do it a second time, and it doesn't do nothing. It just brings you right back to that same score. Alright? Thought that was pretty cool. My little mini arcade over here. Alright, we'll see you. Peace out.